मेरी अपनी भी एक रेसिपी है, ये मेरी अपना इनोवेशन है, ऐसा मेरा क्लेम नहीं है, लेकिन मैं ये जो ड्रमस्टिक है मोरिंगा, और मैं उसके परोठे खाता था और मेरे सप्ताह में 1-2 बार आज भी मैं इसका उपयोग करता हूँ।
Hi dears, today I am going to prepare another viral recipe inspired by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This recipe is called Drumstick Paratha, as its ingredients primarily consist of drumstick and wheat flour. Let's see how it's made. First take 2 drumsticks and wash them thoroughly. Cut them into pieces and put them into a pressure cooker along with a glass of water. After on high flame and wait for 2 whistles. Then turn off the stove. After steaming, open the cooker and transfer the drumstick into a jar to juice them. Use a sieve to strain and collect the pure juice of the drumsticks. Next to chop ginger, garlic and green chilli. Take the drumstick juice, add turmeric powder, chilli powder, Coriander powder, Ajwain, Cumin seeds, salt, and finally chopped ginger, garlic and chilies. Then it mix well. After add 1 cup of wheat flour and mix well until it forms a dough-like consistency similar to kneading for parathas. Take a small portion of this dough and make a ball like this. After, take a ball, flatten it out and add some coriander leaves on top. Fold it over and flatten it out again. Then heat a pan on the stove and fry the paratha, spreading some ghee over it for added flavor. Finally, our drumstick paratha is ready. Everyone must try this recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and share it with others. And if you are a new viewer of this channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.